Are you looking for the best affiliate marketing course on the market today? If so, then stick around, because today I'll be comparing ODI Productions' Passive Income Lifestyle to his first course, Affiliate Marketing Champ, to find out whether or not Passive Income Lifestyle truly lives up to all the hype that it's been getting over the past few months. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on YouTube? So, if you're watching this video right now, you're probably interested in affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing, then you're probably wondering whether or not ODI Productions' new course is worth the money. So today we're going to find that out by comparing his new course to his old one. We're also going to find out exactly why you should upgrade to Passive Income Lifestyle if you are serious about affiliate marketing. So, for starters, I've taken both of his programs, and to be honest, they are both great in their own right, but only one of them helped me to start getting the results that I wanted to see. Now let's get on with the comparison. When it comes to quality, production, and overall functionality, Passive Income Lifestyle absolutely blows Affiliate Marketing Champ out of the water. Odie really took the time to make Passive Income Lifestyle look as clean and as crisp as possible. When comparing this to his last course, you can definitely see the massive improvements he's made in the production and quality departments alone. And that's not even diving into the actual content of the courses yet. Aside from the improvements in quality and production that Passive Income Lifestyle has made, let's now compare the actual instructional content of the two programs. So, in Affiliate Marketing Champ, the entire course only featured 12 instructional videos about affiliate marketing, which honestly isn't bad. But guys, when you compare that to Passive Income Lifestyle's nearly 90 instructional videos, I think it's safe to say that Passive Income Lifestyle wins this category as well. The amount of value that is found in these videos is immense and goes much more in depth on each topic than his Champ's course did. Which leads me to a major improvement that Passive Income Lifestyle has made over Affiliate Marketing Champ. Inside of Passive Income Lifestyle, there is an entire module dedicated to mindset, motivation, and productivity. This module alone has over 30 videos, and I can tell you right now that it's worth every single penny of the price. With this module, I've been able to improve my work rate, focus, and sales because of it. Another thing that was lacking from Affiliate Marketing Champ that Passive Income Lifestyle includes is multiple methods to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you took Odie's first program, then you know that he basically only shared one method of affiliate marketing with us. Well, in Passive Income Lifestyle, Odie shares 4 methods to make money with affiliate marketing with us. This is a huge game changer because everyone is different, and this gives you the option to pick the affiliate marketing method that best fits your goals, skill sets, and your personality. Maybe you're someone who likes getting on camera. Maybe you're someone who doesn't like getting on camera. Well, either way, Odie offers you an affiliate marketing method that will work for you. Now let's compare the features of each course. As expected, when it comes to features, Passive Income Lifestyle absolutely blows Affiliate Marketing Champ out of the water. Odie's old course really just had one feature, and that was a Facebook group where students could interact with each other, share results, and ask Odie questions. But other than that, you really just got the 12 instructional videos, and that's it. With Passive Income Lifestyle, you get 3 huge features that are an absolute game changer. Number 1 is the live streams, and I simply cannot stress this enough, guys. These live streams are easily worth the price of the course alone, in my opinion. Every single week, Odie goes live for an hour and answers people's personal questions live. He'll even look at your own personal website and YouTube channel and tell you exactly what you should be doing better. Since he's critiqued my YouTube videos personally, I've been able to quadruple my views, subscribers, and sales. Again guys, the amount of value in these live streams is incredible. You literally get to sit down and spend an hour with Odie himself. And don't worry, because all of the live streams are saved into the archives, so if you happen to miss one, you can always go back and watch it. Another major feature that Passive Income Lifestyle has is the community forum. Inside of this forum, students can interact with each other and ask Odie questions. This forum is much better than a Facebook group because with a Facebook group, the posts always disappear after a period of time. Well, with the forum, Odie can basically bookmark all of the most asked questions so you don't have to go searching for them. This saves people time and energy, and it also gives members a chance to meet each other. Moving on to another huge feature that Passive Income Lifestyle has that Affiliate Marketing Champ does not is the Niche and Product Research tool. This tool was made by Odie and his team, and it's specifically designed to help students find niches, products, and affiliate programs. The tool is updated weekly and should have enough niche ideas to get you started. It also shows you approximately how much you'll be making per sale if you do decide to go with that affiliate program. Before I move on to the verdict, let me just compare one last important subject about these two programs. And that's the money back guarantee. So with Affiliate Marketing Champ, Odie offered a 14-day money back guarantee, but only if you didn't access more than 30% of the course. Well, with Passive Income Lifestyle, there's none of that. You get a nice 30-day money back guarantee with no questions asked. If you're unsatisfied with the course, simply reach out to him or his team and you'll get a full refund. So there's really no risk in buying it. So after completing both of these programs, I can say with 100% certainty that if you are truly serious about affiliate marketing, then you need to go with Passive Income Lifestyle. In my opinion, it's hands down the very best affiliate marketing course on the web today. There just simply isn't other courses out there that offer nearly 90 training videos, a community forum, a product research tool, and a weekly live stream with the mentor himself. So with all of that being said, if you guys are interested in purchasing Passive Income Lifestyle, I'll include a link below so you can pick it up with a gracious 50% off discount. And yes, this is an affiliate link, which is another awesome thing about this course. Once you do complete it, Odie offers you the opportunity to refer it to others and make a pretty good commission, which will pay for the cost of the course itself after just a few sales. Last but not least, please don't forget to thumbs up and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all about Passive Income Lifestyle, leave it in the comments section below and I'll make sure to get back to everybody. Take care guys and best of luck.